Both of my brothers went here and I wanted to learn how to weld and get better at it just so I could keep that in my back pocket in case I feel like going into that. I wanted to get into something new and I thought welding would be like a fun experience.
My career path, I'm looking forward to being a pipeline welder, and this is where I'm getting my career started. Once I graduate high school, I'm already be ahead of a lot of people starting their welding careers. Right now we're doing a bunch of different types of welds, like T-joints, overhead, vertical, horizontal, making sure we get everything. A T-joint, you get two plates, put them together, and then you tack it on one side, and then you start doing your weld. If they break, you don't pass. If they don't break, then you pass.
I wanted to go into automotive, but then I started to try out welding at Geyer, and that was pretty cool. So I kind of preferred welding over that, so then I moved over here. For sure, focus skills, a lot of patience, a lot of different timing skills for sure, what I've noticed.
So MIG is it has a wire. It's stick welding. You get it's like a stick, and you actually weld with the stick. But MIG is like a wire and it constantly comes out. I prefer MIG because it's just easier to handle, and I feel like I'm much better at that. Mr. Chappell, he teaches us a bunch of different things.
It's not just basic welding, we learn everything, how to set up the machines, the amperage, knowing what type of thickness of metal we use. For stick welding, we use thicker metal, and then for MIG, thinner.
I really wanted a background or a backup deal for my future, and welding kind of fit in for that. You also get to learn to talk with your buddies and stuff like that. It's a fun experience. For a backup, if I could, probably the military or government, or something with engineering or construction. It's a pretty cool program. I'd recommend y'all coming to this. Instructor's pretty chill, so I suggest coming here. But yeah.
Come to LaGrone. It's a good place to be, and it's lots of fun. The teachers are very great over here, and yeah.